Lots of bird activity this morning at Midori. We have a red-winged blackbird here. Let's see if I can get this other one. Oh, another red-winged blackbird on this feeder. Cardinal waiting in the wings, waiting for their turn on the feeder. The blackbirds don't let anybody else on. They have to sit on the tree and wait. It's kind of a foggy day here today. A little cold, not bad, about 45 degrees. Oh, there's a new guy. Oh, you have to wait, Mr. Cardinal. No one can get there while the blackbirds are here. Is there anybody on this feeder? No. What is that? That's a reflection of the window that has a bird on it. Oh my goodness, how can I get just the bird? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see if I can get him from this window. There's the cardinal. Beautiful. Oh, and there's another cardinal waiting below. So you got a male and a female.